DJI is changing the game again with the Dock 3. This new drone-in-a-box system is built for fully automated operations, designed for emergency response, security, inspection, and other industrial tasks. It combines smart features with rugged durability. It can handle extreme weather, work in tough conditions, and deploy drones with precision. It supports the powerful Matrix 4D and 4TD drones, which come with long flight times, advanced cameras, and enhanced obstacle avoidance. One of the biggest upgrades is its ability to be mounted on moving vehicles. This makes it perfect for search and rescue, disaster response, and other mobile operations. Drones can now launch from a moving platform, scan an area, then return for automatic recharging. Plus, DJI's Flight Hub 2 software makes missions easier by automating flight paths and analyzing data. So, is the DJI Dock 3 really the future of drone automation? Does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the details and find out. The DJI Dock 3 is designed to perform in harsh environments. It has an operational temperature range from -30 to 50 degrees Celsius, so it works in extreme cold and intense heat. Its IP56 rating protects it from dust and rain, so it keeps running even in tough weather conditions. This durability makes it ideal for industries like emergency response, security, and infrastructure inspections. It is built to work with the new Matrix 4D and 4TD drones. Both drones have IP55 dust and water resistance, which adds another layer of protection. They offer up to 54 minutes of flight time when moving forward and 47 minutes when hovering. This gives them more time in the air to complete critical tasks. Their advanced camera systems include wide-angle, medium telephoto, and telephoto lenses, plus a laser rangefinder, which makes them excellent for mapping, inspections, and surveillance. For even more functionality, the 4TD model includes an infrared thermal camera and a near-infrared light. This makes it perfect for low-light conditions and nighttime operations. A major innovation with the Dock 3 is its flexible deployment. It can be installed in a fixed location for routine monitoring or mounted on moving vehicles. This mobile capability is a game changer for search and rescue missions, disaster response, or security patrols. The system supports dual dock setups on a single vehicle, which allows drones to take turns flying without downtime. This means non-stop surveillance and monitoring for critical situations. DJI's Flight Hub 2 software makes operations easier and smarter. It lets users plan flight paths, set automated drone missions, and analyze real-time data. It also has an intelligent change detection feature. This allows drones to scan areas over time and detect changes, which is useful for environmental monitoring and disaster response. The virtual cockpit interface gives operators full control, allowing them to adjust the camera angle and gimbal with simple mouse movements for long-range missions. DJI has added an airborne relay system. This uses the DJI RC+2 Enterprise remote controller to extend communication range. One drone can fly high and act as a relay station, helping another drone stay connected even in difficult environments. This is useful in places with weak signals, like mountainous areas, or dense cities with poor 4G coverage to enhance its capabilities even further. DJI offers several accessories. The obstacle sensing module uses LiDAR and radar technology to detect even small objects. This helps the drone navigate safely in complex environments. The DJI AL1 Spotlight provides illumination up to 100 meters, helping with nighttime missions. And the DJI AS1 speaker allows real-time voice broadcasting up to 300 meters, which is useful for public safety and emergency situations. DJI has also focused on security. Flight Hub 2 follows strict international standards to protect user data. All transmissions are encrypted, and operators have full control over stored information. They can delete data when needed for privacy and security. Additionally, the system includes a flight termination feature, which lets operators stop the drone instantly if necessary. This ensures safety and compliance with airspace regulations with its rugged design, smart automation, and powerful drone capabilities. The DJI Dock 3 is a step forward in drone technology. It is designed to make aerial operations easier, more efficient, and more reliable for professionals. The DJI Dock 3 is not just another drone accessory. It is a full automation system that changes how drones are used in the real world. Its ability to work in extreme conditions, deploy drones automatically, and operate from moving vehicles makes it a game changer. Whether for security, emergency response, or industrial inspections, it offers unmatched flexibility and performance, With advanced cameras, long flight times, and smart software, this system helps professionals complete complex missions with ease. The added accessories like the obstacle sensing module, spotlight, and voice speaker make it even more useful. And with strong security features, users can trust their data is safe. So what do you think is the DJI Dock 3? The future of automated drones? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this review, hit like and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.